Let me show you how to install a runtime environment. In this case, it's a Python 3.8.2 environment called data analysis. If I want to install it for Windows, I just need to copy this command and go over to my Windows system. And I just need to boot up my command line. And I can show you that I currently have no projects installed. So I can go ahead and paste this command. And what will happen is it'll install the state tool, which is already installed, and then it'll install data analysis. So right now it's talking to the ActiveState platform and getting all the components it needs, and then it'll download those artifacts and install them locally in a directory. And now I'm activated. And if I do state projects again, it shows me I have the data analysis project installed locally. If I do state show, it shows me a little bit about the project that I have currently installed.